Everybody say hello.
Went on with him last year.
Looking good, Joe.
You betcha.
Or should we call you Santa?
Santa.
What'd you get, Laura?
Little perch.
Oh, nice, nice. Bryn, I don't want you getting hurt, puppy. Oh. Whoa, holy fuck.
Come on. I'll get you some sick angle shots.
Oh, this is not gonna go well.
No, it's not.
Ev,
Yeah.
put the bike over there. Just, well, he'll stay out of range. Just because if they get too close, they'll hit us. How you doing? Good.
That'll just be funny if they hit us.
No, that'll be broken bones.
That's okay, broken bones are funny.
Oh, wait, Okay, careful.
You're just playing with it. Oh, this line, Joseph.
Yes, I know. I'll have to go to headquarters and get some ice cream.
Joshua,
Turn around, please.
turn around. Get off your phone.
Checking
Oh.
the weather update, see if we're getting any snow. Which there is not.
Hi, are you having fun? How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good. Are you having fun?
Having lots of fun.
Shoot the puck this way, Nathan. Oh, Bryn's got her.
Bryn, come here. Leave it. me.
You gonna hold it? Hold it, Kareen.
Now my hands are gonna get
Just fucking hold it.
cold. I don't want
Rabbit Lake walleye.
Oh, just
Oh,
wait.
this is
I don't got
hilarious.
it. Okay, I got
Remember, this is on camera.
it. There you go.
Okay,
We
good.
have
There's a smile. You're good.
one. Okay, back.
What happened when you're not watching it? Yeah, it's green.
Quality.
Oh,
Snap the line. That happened to me.
who did that happen to?
That happened to me. It's like the tip of something.
It looks like the tip of what?
Something.
Something. Tip of a wiener.
Pro fishing lure right there. What are you videoing?
I am videoing you.
Why?
How come you haven't caught any fish yet?
I haven't really put a rod down.
Well, that's why you haven't caught a fish yet.
Yeah.
I went and fished all those holes.
Okay, so I go like this. Why can I not? And I'll hold next row.
Bottom of my shoulder blades or would kill me.
Just right there. So
Yeah.
I'm like, oh dear God, I need acupuncture to release this mush.
That's what gets me is right.
Aren't they standing too close?
Woo! I don't know that those went in the right direction. I don't think so.
Watch out, Josh. Watch out. You gotta be careful.
Wow. That one didn't go the right way either. everyone alive down there?
Holy